Hey Realtors, today I want to talk about rushing the appraisal and controlling what you can control. So if you start the deal fast, you're going to end the deal fast. So start quick, close quick. I know everybody likes to close quickly. We had a month this year where we closed 15 deals in under 15 days, one in 8 days, one in 10 days. I would say at least half of those deals, we rushed the appraisal. So control equals service, partners. Just keep that in mind. When it comes to rushing the appraisal, don't allow your clients to sit and say, well, I want to wait for the inspection to come back. If they're buying a home, to rush the appraisal or order the appraisal before that inspection comes back, if you have a quick close, you kind of have to do it unless you're really setting yourself up for an outcome that you don't want. Wouldn't you rather have docs at title a week or two before closing versus getting them there, the week of closing? I mean, I always tell people control equals service. So I'm going to give you a quick little hack here that I do with a lot of my realtor partners. And before I say that, I will say, if your deal is more than 2 weeks to close, the contract is 15 days to 30 days for closing, you don't have to rush the appraisal. That's fine. Don't rush the appraisal. But in my world, an appraisal comes back in 5 to 7 business days right now, sometimes sooner, without it being rushed. If you rush it, it's typically adding $200 to $300. If it's a $2 million deal or higher, maybe $400 to $500 to rush it. But the hack here is I have realtor partners that rush every single appraisal. They tell me, Dan, I prep my clients and I told them we're rushing the appraisal no matter what's going on, because we want to know what that value is first and foremost so we can start negotiating on it, whether the inspection's done or not. So in California, we know how this works because California, there's a 17-day appraisal and loan contingency removal. So we started just rushing appraisals 10, 12 years ago for every single client, every single realtor that I deal with in Orange County and LA County, and they just prep their buyers that they're going to pay a little extra for that rush fee, but it makes the deal so much smoother. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions about it, let me know. By the way, a rush appraisal right now, I can get back guys within a couple of days sometimes, believe it or not. So it's worth it when it comes down to it. It's worth a couple $100 extra. You guys have a great day. And remember, if you're doing 8 deals or more a year in California or Arizona, want to elevate your business and work with a lender that's going to support your growth, reach out to me. Love to talk to you. Love to brainstorm with you. You guys have a great day. I hope to hear from you soon.